Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate you how to determine the value of electronic charge E by Milken's method. In order to perform this experiment, we required Milken's apparatus, which consists of a lamp, a microscope, atomizer, capacitance kit, and a power supply of 300 volt, DC power supply, and a digital stopwatch. Now first we connect the lamp of wire to the power supply of lamp, which is approximately 6.3 volt, and connect the terminals of capacitance kit to the variable DC power supply of range 300 volt. Now first we set the lamp and microscope and properly focus on the capacitance kit. Now we on this lamp, and from the atomizer spray the mustard oil on the capacitance kit, and when we observe from the microscope, we observe a little teeny stars moving in upward direction. With the help of stopwatch, we can observe the velocity of one little star with the help of the scale, which is inbuilt in microscope. We repeat this process for 2 or 3 times, and every time calculate the value of velocity v1 of a tiny star. Now we adjust the voltage from 0 to 300 volt, and when we spray the oil from atomizer and observe through microscope, we observe tiny little stars are moving in downward direction. Actually they are moving in upward direction, but due to inverted image formed in a microscope, they are observed that they are moving in downward direction. Now we observe one tiny star and calculate the velocity of one tiny star with the help of traveling microscope, and put this value in this table. Now we repeat the process for 2 or 3 times, and every time note the value in table. Now by using the formula, the charge Q is equal to 9 pi eta की power 3/2 under root 2 V1 rho minus sigma into G multiply D divided by V into में V1 minus V2. We can calculate the charge on the drop of non-volatile oil here, which is a mustard oil. The charge which comes out is a multiple of 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb.